Okay, here's the one we've been working on, and again, we already factored this in a previous video, all right, and we already found the new 5 key points in a previous video. So at this point, we're just going to graph this, and again, that's negative, and so is that. All right, so the thing you have to be careful is how these differ isn't necessarily your shift, so you just kind of have to watch this a little bit. These are going up by what, pi over 6 all the time. So your unit on your graph is going to be, oh, and I need more negative space there, sorry about that, is going to be pi over 6. It's going to be a little thicker than I would like, but we can do that. All right, so I'll change the thickness here. All right, so so over here I might have, you know, negative pi over 6, negative 2 pi over 6, negative 3 pi over 6, negative 4 pi over 6. And so I might go by pi over 6 here also. All right, and then up here I'm going by 1, 2, here's a positive 3, here's 1, and here's a negative 1 there. Okay, so if this is pi over 6, this is 2 pi over 6, which reduces 3 pi over 6, which reduces 4 pi over 6, which reduces 5 pi over 6, and then over here, negative pi over 6, negative 2 pi over 6, which reduces negative pi over 2, and so forth. And so I'm just going to grab some different color ink here. All right, so negative pi over 3 is here, all right, and I'm up at 1. Negative pi over 6 is at 3. 0 is at 1. Pi over 6 is at a negative 1, and pi over 3 is at, oopsies, didn't mean to do that. Pi over 3 is up here at 1. So you can see kind of the movement here, and again, this isn't the easiest thing to do on the screen. So the next one's going to go up again to high, and then this is going to go mid. So again, not my best drawing ever, but you can kind of see how this would continue. All right. Now again, where is my sine? Well, you can see here's where it started and here where it goes. So you can kind of see my mid, high, mid, low, mid. All right. And the period is 2 pi over 3, which we got earlier. And you can see how it actually did really shift back pi over 3. And then you can also see that it doesn't go through 0, 0, that it was shifted up 1, 2. So again, once you get the key points, you can graph it. Again, you have to figure out your unit and go from there.